Stop searching for random DLLs. If you see the Microsoft-mshtml library DLL error, I have the verified Windows level solution. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's begin. To kick off the Microsoft-mshtml library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Microsoft-mshtml library, a primary interop assembly providing a managed wrapper for the MS-HTML engine core, MS-HTML.dll. It enables localized .NET desktop applications to host and manipulate localized HTML content frames using the legacy Internet Explorer rendering engine. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall IE Engine, head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft mshtml library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please use caution. Replacing Microsoft mshtml library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Microsoft mshtml library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Microsoft mshtml library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.